Hello everyone. In Windows 10 and 11, there is a feature that not a lot of people knows about, and I find it very useful, especially for artists. And that feature is basically the Greyscale mode. You can activate it and deactivate it by combining three keys: the Windows button, the Control button, and the letter C button. If you combine these three buttons, you will be able to make your system go into a grayscale mode, and it will allow you to quickly check the values of pictures and drawings. If combining these buttons doesn't make it work, it means that you need to turn on the ability of Windows to allow these shortcut keys to make it work. And it's the same for Windows 10 and 11. You need to go to the search bar of the system, type color filter. I already searched it, so I have it here. And here in color filters, you have a button, a check mark, to allow the shortcut key to toggle the filter on or off, and you need to make sure it's checked, of course, and you need to also make sure it's making everything grayscale and not anything else. And it's the same for like Windows 11. You should go to accessibility on settings, go to color filters, and then on the bottom you should have a check mark like this, like a button to turn on or off. It should look more like this. You need to turn it on, and then it will allow that shortcut key to do the effect of the grayscale mode. And that's it. That's how you do it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will find this tip useful as I do.